Hey man, what's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Big Jane 97, you know what I'm saying? We back with another video. We got some different shit today, you know what I'm saying? We got some, I don't know if you classify it as luxury or design. I really don't know the difference, but we got some luxury designer shit. You feel me? We coming a little different. This my first pair of these. Well, I actually got another pair of this. It's gonna be separate videos, but this one of the two pair that I bought. And I'm just gonna show y'all, man. I'm gonna show y'all the box so y'all can see what we getting into. We got the off whistles, my boy. We got the off whites, man. Got some off whites, man. We finna go crack them open and get to it, you know what I'm saying? I got the wall in the back because I like doing the videos now, sitting down like this instead of the over the top view. I guess it, you know, it get y'all, you know, I don't know, a little more genuine feel. I never seen the off-white box, but you see it got the shoe box in the corner. Got the off-white with the hand symbols. These little circles with the scissors are all around it. It's all around it. So yeah, let's go and crack it open, bro. Go and crack it open. The box is kind of on the thin side. It really don't matter though. Good old dust bag. The off-white at the bottom. That's dope. Nice simple dust bag. Of course the color of it off-white. Show y'all. That's what we got right there. Ooh. Yeah, we got this. We got what they call this, bro. I think it's Vulcanized. This is I don't know the exact name of the shoe. Let me see. Mid top Vulcanized. Vulcanized mid top. Y'all can check it out. Pretty dope, bro. Pretty dope. This is my first one. First one. Definitely give you, you know, Converse vibes, but I tried them on. They feel pretty good. Let me show y'all the little tag. See if y'all can read the tag. It's a little bright. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it says Off-White Co. Virgil Abloh. Made on Earth, designed on a plane. Established 2013. Established 2013. You see the little back tab? The back tab say Off-White in it. Like on the black part, on this part, it say Off-White in the stitching. And the actual tag says Off-White made to, what it say? Made to resist. Made to resist. Sole definitely harder than like a regular Converse. Like as far as like quality wise, yeah, this a no bowing. No bowing at all. The actual shoe itself is kind of a canvas material. I had to spray this with some of that sealant so it don't hold or don't catch no dirt or anything like that. The X is like a nubuck type of thing. Yes, a nubuck type of thing. You can see the sole where like the black and the white is like separated pieces of rubber, so the black pieces are on top of the white pieces, as you can see. Yeah, y'all see it. Black pieces on top of the white pieces. Yeah, vulcanized sole on the bottom right there. You can see it in the little white box. Say vulcanized sole. The tag say. Tag says from ocean plastic. So the tag is made from ocean plastic. 100% from ocean plastic. Back of the tag says it's a established 2013. Then it says zip tie. Then it says Off-White. Show y'all that. And it got the little recycle symbol in there too. The eyelet say something too. Yeah, the eyelet, the one on this side, let me see if I can get that for you. The eyelet says off-white, and then it says eyelet. I don't know if you can see it, but say off-white, then it say eyelet. I ain't taking the tag off, so if you can see the writing on there though. Lace says shoelace. Get it to focus. Shoelace. It's a crazy shoe, bro. It's a cool shoe. Cool shoe for sure. Inside, it's a 46, which is a 13 in America. 46 is the UK size. It says made in Indonesia. Insole got the little symbol. It kind of remind me of a face, but I'm not sure if it's a face or not, so I ain't gonna say it's a face. But it kind of remind me of a face. Let's see. Nothing else on the inside, but that's the right one. Let's just take the other one out just to see. Just to see, you know. I think that's all that it comes with, other than these little cards and shit. No extra laces or nothing like that, I don't think. Okay, good, I took this one out. So that one has the face on the insole. Let me move that string. And this one has off with the, come on, off with the hand on the insole. That's cool. That's cool. Anything else different? Let's just check it out. Okay, so the eyelets on these don't say eyelet. Yeah, nothing says eyelet on this one. So it's just a copy of the right shoe, basically. Yes, that's the whole pair, man. That's all it is to it. Off-white, simple unboxing, man. Quick unboxing. Thumbnail vibes, you know. It might be thumbnail, you know. I ain't gonna. Hey, but look, quick video. Got the off-whites, bro. Got the off-whites. I'm gonna put a link to the site that I be getting all my luxury and designer shit to down in the description too, cause that's where I be finding these on a good deal. And if I didn't tell y'all already, got these for the low price of $200. Got these for $200. These and the other pair got them for $200. So not $200 together, $200 a piece. So it's a $500 sneaker. Got it for $200. So I'm definitely gonna put y'all on. I'm gonna put the site, put that site down in the description. Real shit too. No knockoff shit. It's all real shit. 100%. Gonna put them back in the box, man. But look, like I always say, you know what I'm saying, like if you want to, comment if you want to, subscribe if you want to, because at the end of the day, you're going to do what you want to do. You know what I'm saying? Go tell your grandma and her stepsister to come over here and subscribe, because we get to the money on this side. To the next video, man. It's your boy, Big J.